Hi, I'm Jori Chisholm, and I'm excited to tell you about my new online course, The Secrets of Drone Tuning. I started bagpipelessons.com to give you the tools, information, guidance, and inspiration to achieve all of your piping goals. I've been playing and teaching the bagpipes for over 30 years, and I've helped thousands of pipers reach their piping goals. One of the great joys of playing the pipes is the experience of playing when the sound and tuning of your instrument is at its full potential. And the ability to tune your own pipes is a fundamental building block of achieving a fantastic sound. But the ability to do it quickly, correctly, and consistently is not something that comes naturally, but it is something that can be learned. Do you want to learn to tune your drones perfectly, consistently, and quickly? Do you want to enjoy the full, rich harmonic sound that can only be achieved through perfectly tuned drones? Do you want the confidence to know that you can get your pipes in tune every time you play on your own and start wowing everyone who hears you play? Well, then this is the course for you. Whether you play in a pipe band or on your own, in competitions and performances, or just for your own enjoyment, drone tuning is the #1 skill you need to master to achieve a great bagpipe sound. And you can learn to do it with my new course. The Secrets of Drone Tuning begins with the fundamentals. I'll teach you all the different skills that are involved in drone tuning, and then you'll jump right in and then put them into practice, which is vital if you're going to be able to tune your drones consistently and quickly on your own. I'll teach you 3 different ways of tuning your drones, starting with 1 drone, starting with 2 drones, or starting with all 3 drones going at the same time. To tune your own drones, you don't need to have a great ear. What you need to know is what to listen for and how to make the correct adjustments. And most importantly, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process that I use to get my drones perfectly in tune with each other and with the chanter. I'll teach you how to do it for yourself, and you'll experience the confidence that only comes from the ability to tune your own drones quickly, consistently, and perfectly every time you play. The course is packed with high quality, clear, easy to follow content, including videos that show every single step of the process. You can download my exclusive Secrets of Drone Tuning handbook that describes exactly what you need to do at every step of the drone tuning process. No more worrying, no more guessing, no more trying to find somebody to help you tune your drones. You deserve to play on a fantastic sounding instrument. My mission is to teach you how to tune your drones like an expert. I offer 100% fully responsive support to answer any questions and help you with any challenges that might come up during the course. I also offer a 100% money-back, no-hassle guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Jump right in and learn my Secrets of Drone Tuning today. Thanks.